Hello, in this video I'll show you how to create a character on Linky AI. Now it's an extremely easy process, so what you do is just open the application, then wait for a few seconds. After that, once you're inside the dashboard, all you have to do is click on the profile option at the very bottom right hand side corner. Then over here you will have a big option called design your own mate. Choose that option. Now choose the character. So let's say for example IP character. Now over here, just choose the gender of the character. After that, add a name. Then you can add some little description over here if you want to. It's totally up to you. After you've added some description, just simply choose what type of fandom it will be. Like for example, as you can see, I've already chosen one anime over here. You can choose more type of anime. Like for example, this one. And maybe this one. Now, once you will do that, just simply click on generate at the very bottom. You can add a reference image if you have any AI generated image. You can click on this option and you can add your own image from your gallery. Now, if you don't have any, it's not a problem. Just simply click on generate. Now, Linky will automatically create an image depending on the information that you just gave. So in our case, it was a male and the character is already getting ready, as you can see right over here. So you can just simply click on the characters right over here at the very top to see how they actually look. Now, it will take some time for all the characters to appear, so just simply be patient and wait for it to complete. Now, once all the characters are ready, choose any one of the characters that you want, and if you're unhappy with all the characters, you will have the option to regenerate at the very top right hand side corner, as you can see. If you click on this option, you can regenerate. Now, once everything is ready, as you can see, you can also choose the sound, so click on this option to see the sound. And you can also add more information at the very bottom panel. And once everything is ready, just click on submit. Then click on I already know. Now wait for a few seconds. Once that is done, it will give you a success message and your profile will be added right over here, as you can see. And now if you just simply click on the character, you will be able to start chatting. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.